Hi there, what's up? In this video, I'll give you a quick guide on how you can buy Dogebull on Webull quickly and safely. So what you will do is you will open your Webull app and make sure or Webull website and make sure that you've already logged into your account, and then go ahead and look for trading and investing section, and then go ahead and click crypto, and it is under the investing section, and just wait for it to load. And now that you're here, you will basically just have um to look for the Dogecoin. So it should be right here if you've already logged into your account. And then after that, you will just have to click trade, and then you will click buy. So it should be like this, and then you will just have to enter the amount in dollars or coins that you want to purchase. So it should look like this, and you will confirm your purchase and then complete the transaction when you're done. And by the way, you should keep track of your crypto market trends before investing. And yeah, that's basically just it. And I hope you found this video helpful. And if you did, please make sure to like and subscribe for more videos like this. Thank you and have an awesome day.